Draw and learn. Oh, look at this train. It's so fast. Hello, kids. Today we want to color in this train with each other. At first, let's learn some colors. So colorful. Orange color. Dark green color. Light blue color. What's the next? Red color. Purple color. And yellow color. What's the next? Dark blue color. And gray color. What's the next? Yes, light green color. Brown color. What's the next? Yes, pink color. And the last one is black color. Yes, they are so colorful. Let's color in the train. At first, I want to use yellow color for the windows. Let's do it with me. Yellow color. Repeat after me. Yellow color. Good job. Then I want to use red color. It's red color. Do it with me. Awesome! Which color do you like to use now? What about green color? I like green color very much. What about you? Green color. Let's color it with me. That's so awesome. Now I want to use orange color. Orange color. We are coloring this place with blue color. Let's do it with me. It's blue color. Do you like blue color? It's so beautiful. Good job. What's the next color? Yes, pink color. Please subscribe us. Pink color. Do you like pink color? So beautiful. Now I want to use dark green color. Repeat after me. Dark green color. You're so great! Do it with me! I'm sure you can color it very well. Now I want to color in the wheels with black color. Black color. It's a big wheel. Let's color it with me. Now I continue, kids. You're the best. Now I want to use green color for this place. Yellow color. Yellow color. This train is so colorful. Do you like the trains? Do you like to travel with train? It's so amazing. Now I'm using orange color. Let's do it with me. Finished! Now we have a colorful train. You're so awesome! If you like our videos, please subscribe us. See you in the next video. Bye bye!